Ground control. Welcome back to the bench, guys. Shine a little light on the scenario. There we go. Yeah, boy, DX was rocking today. We just got off the band, tearing up the airwaves. But hopefully the induction fan to my amplifier isn't causing too much background noise. Yeah, man, it was ratchet jawing out there. No doubt about it. And that got them cotton picket tubes cooling down. But anyways, today we got another restoration project, which is gonna be one of my third meters, a new added piece of equipment, okay, which is your directional RF watt meter, model 1000, okay, 50 ohm impedance, made by Dielectric. Now, as you can tell, it's not the same as these. That's why I like Coaxial Dynamics and Dielectric. They have big face meters. Awesome. Well, I had stumbled across this one and got it for dirt cheap, man. So, this one is actually Model 1000 by Solar Basic. Okay, Solar Basic was like a different division or whatnot, considering Dielectric. Okay. If you look on here, it says a unit of general signal. Okay. A unit of general signal. So I'm thinking it's some type of, pair up or co-op or whatever the case may be. And this one is Solar Basic. Anyways, the only difference is, as you can tell visually, is the meter face. Okay? I don't even think bird meters are that big. I mean, I got big ass hands, bro. And I can get that fist through there. Yeah, so I don't think bird meters are that big. But anyways, that's the only difference here. Like I say, 50 ohm impedance, 1,000 watts, up to 1,000 watts. It takes bird slugs. It also has a through line. See if we can get a focus. Oh, we got it upside down. There we go. All right. So, we already got her broken down, okay? And actually, when I took out one of the QC SO239s, the bus bar and the insulator came out with it. But if you ever watched one of my other previous videos of restoring the red one, I talk about that. But, just a little bit of coconut oil right there, okay? Or WD-40, and she'll slide right back in. Make sure you get this end connected on the other side of your insulator, okay? So that's one issue you can have when pulling out the SO239 QC model, which is right here. You gotta unscrew these, pull it out, and sometimes the hot bar, RF bar, comes out with the insulator. No problem. But yeah, gonna be a little bit more delicate with this one. Trying to look through the camera lens and show you the through line and show you the meters, and it's just a little difficult. But we got some cleaning up to do on the face of the meter. You can also see it's Solar Basic there, Dielectric SB. So, yeah, we'll flip her around. Very well built, man. Very, very, very nice. So, whoever had this unit um, was definitely a smoker, man. That's not heat. That's not RF. That is cigarettes or fucking cigars, bro. So whoever's using this meter was sitting in front of it doing his work and fucking smoking, which is not good for electronic equipment. It's not good for meters either, man. Neither is vape, okay? So I know a lot of you old school guys out there, y'all are smokers, and some of the new school out there are vapors, and I occasionally have myself a smoke. Cigarette here and there, no doubt about it. But yeah, I do not smoke inside, man. That's a no-no. But anyways, we got this cotton picker broke down, and this is gonna be a shorter video than the one on the red. Okay, the one on the red, if you haven't tuned into that one, I broke the whole process down right on camera. Okay, the breakdown process, the do's and don'ts, and whatnot. And yeah, and then eventually you see the outcome of the restoration on that video. Same one here, okay? Same thing here, but we're gonna skip the breakdown process. And the only difference is with the Solar Basic is the mounts, okay? That's another thing that's different. It's just the meter mounts, all right? So this thing comes with brackets. You can kind of see here where the bracket lays, the bracket lays, the bracket lays, and the bracket lays. So there's 4 of them there. And yeah, that's really the only difference, man. Now on the dielectric Model 1000A, which are these two, these are your mounts for your meters. So the screws on the outside. These are for the straps, for the leather straps. So that's really the only difference with this one. But yeah. All right. So if you like turning old things to new, or things that's just been used and abused, if you like turning things around regardless, man, stay tuned. We'll be back. Hey, man, and we're back. Now, it's just been a second for you, but it's been days for me. I had to put this project on the back burner, man. Yeah, I had a couple radios come in, and 2 of them actually needed to be matched, and with amplifiers and, good tunes put to them or whatnot, so, customers and subscribers come first. Personal projects or added things to the test bench, they do come last. They do. No doubt about it. But, okay, we got the leather strap done up. She's moisturized, straightened back out a little bit. Can't do much with the imperfections, all right? But the actual life of the leather is back. Okay, and we got our Solar Basic meter face cleaned up. We got all our screws and our QC model SO239s cleaned up. We have our through line cleaned up. The RF bar inside cleaned up. Okay. Slug port holders. Okay, these are for your extra slugs, man. There's 2 holes in the back of these dielectric meters, and they're for spare slugs. And these 2 screws go with these. Okay, so what you do is you put your screw in the back. You put your spare slugs in the back of this thing, and then it comes down, and you screw it tight. So wherever the meter goes, the spare slugs go, which is pretty cool. It's another reason why I like dielectric so much. It's not just because of the big face meters, um, but high quality, and of course, slug ports in the back for your spare slugs, no doubt about it. Okay, so everything is cleaned up, everything is done. Now, we got the Solar Basic Dielectric 1000 ready to be put back together. All right, so without further ado, let's get down to business. Shazam. And we're back, man. That's right. We got a deep candy blue. And we have another small little addition. A nice aluminum American flag aluminum. Real nice, real nice. Kind of cool, man. Little bit of imperfections, in the metal itself, which I'm not going, all balls to the wall and using fillers and stuff like that, and metal body work and stuff like that, man. Trust me, a good automotive body repair, man. Yeah, they're the gods, man. I know a few real good body repairmen, automotive, and I tell you, man, when they're done, you can't even tell a ding or dent or anything was there, man. So, shout outs to you, automotive body repairmen out there. You talented cats, man, to make to make wonders out of some of that stuff, man. Awesome, man. I've always been interested into the body repair and custom painting, but yeah. You see, we got the strap. Oh yeah. And that's where your spare slugs go, man. Boop, 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 boop. Yes, sir. Really pretty. Nice addition to it, man. And if you're catching this video and you haven't caught the one on the red edition I did, you can scroll and find this video, okay, on my channel. And this is where I show the complete breakdown process, step for step. All right. But I think it's a cool little addition to the bench. No doubt about it, man. Nice deep candy blue. There we go. Real nice shot over there. That's a good angle. No glare. Not bad at all. Blue is a tough color to work with, man. I'll tell you. And you got to watch your coats, because the more coats you put on, it doesn't even matter about candy paint. It doesn't even matter if it's light blue, aqua blue, but the more coats you layer on, the darker that blue will get. So you have to be real, real careful if you want a baby blue, or maybe say like a blue like behind the stars here. That's a lot lighter blue than what actually panned out onto the meter. So you have to be careful with the blues, man. No doubt about it. You can pick up some light blue paint, and then the next thing you know, you're on your third coat, and that thing ain't looking so light blue anymore. And I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about, man. It's all trial and error. But yeah. Welcome home. Welcome home. I actually did 2 of these red ones before. One I did for up and coming tech out of I think it was Idaho. Okay, and That was a couple years ago, and then finally I did this one for myself not that long ago. So, yeah, man. Coaxial Dynamics, Model 1000, Solar Basic Edition. All right. But yeah, I kind of like this meter. It's going to go good right in between these two rectangle faced meters. Nice solar, circular meter there. Pretty cool. But anyways, guys, yeah, here we go. The Dielectric 1000 Blue Edition. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate your subs. I appreciate the thumbs up. Appreciate the haters. I appreciate the thumbs down. No doubt about it. 204 ground control, Black Ops technology. 73, 73s, 73rd.